Hey Astrals, happy Halloween. As you can see, I'm in Glamour Dolls ATM. BC it updated a few days ago, but I didn't have time to make 8 vid, but I had time today. Let's start. Okay, so I've actually only just saw the Halloween sign over here. There's also a new quest over here. Not gonna do it in this video, but let me know in the comments. See what I mean by loud sounds? Anyways, you get a set from this quest and it looks like this. Now for the codes. Now for the shop. We can't press the stuff on the homepage. I think it's a bug, so we'll have to look through. And that's been stuck like that for a while. Exclusive sets. I have RBX but not enough for these. Sadly, BC I really want the Infernal Elegance set. Also, is this new? New set number 1. New set number 2. I want it so bad.
You think you're special
I might
because
buy
you're
some,
human?
like the
You're just
dress.
wrong.
I
People
actually
like
saw
demons
Brian
to you.
making that
You're
on
not
stream.
better
The
you
wings
are.
I need.
You're a more powerful demon.
Let's go to the maze. I have no idea where it is, so I kinda just walked around till I saw the hill. I have no idea where the end is, but apparently there's a 100.so. Let's see if I can find it. I think I died. Ye jump scares aren't my strength. See what I mean? Anyways, I think there's a free new set. Here it is. I'm pretty sure that's it for today's video. Tysm for watching, and I hope you had a good Halloween. Safe, bye.